Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good fun for Black Friday.
Have you recovered from the elephants yesterday, Michael? That was a little bit insane.
Yeah, it certainly went off like a frog in a sock, didn't
But
it?
that's it. That's what these specials do. Oh, sorry, I penned out a little bit early. We're doing gold today. Fractional gold.
Doing fractional gold, and in fact, we're doing fractional lunar gold.
Hey.
So normally, once the lunar year is finished and we go into the next year, as we have done recently, you'll find the price of all the previous year's lunars go up.
Yep.
However, we decided, and I don't know who conned me into this, but somebody conned me into the fact that we've got some 1/20th rabbits and we're going to do them at a ridiculous price. They are $45 above spot, which actually means that they're below $200 a coin, which is insane.
There you go.
1/20th.
Well, I was going to say that's often the biggest downside to these small fractional sizes is that you do end up paying a lot more. So to have that come down is very handy.
So that's the 1/20th. I should have had another coin to give you perspective. It is a small coin.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
we can kind of see it in your hands.
So you've got, we all know what the rabbit looks like, but you've got the rabbit on one side, you've got Her Majesty on the other.
Yep.
So this is a 2023 dated coin. It is the previous year's Lunar series. Well, it's still technically this year's Lunar. It's just they released next year's this year.
That's it. It now feels previous, but technically we are still Year of the Rabbit. So.
That's right. So look, they are a screaming bargain at 45 above spot. That's pretty much wholesale price on the best of days. So grab them while you can. A 1/20th coin under $200 is a bargain. So they will go relatively quickly, as you would have seen yesterday with the elephants. They went quite quickly. So if you're seeing this, they're still available online, and you're interested in them, don't hesitate. Grab them while you can.
Any limits on this one?
No, not at this stage. I hate limiting it, so I'm going to try not to.
All right.
So we won't limit it. Don't forget that the kangaroo is on special as well. We're doing that over the whole weekend. So again, grab those while you can as well, because they will go up again as of first thing Tuesday morning.
Good stuff. All right. Thank you very much, Michael. We'll see how this one goes, and we will see everyone again on Sunday.
Sounds good. See ya.